Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna attempt to do the Vogue trend. So I've been seeing this everywhere and I want to do it myself. I haven't seen a tutorial on it yet, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I feel like I have a pretty good idea on how I'm gonna do this. Before I get into it, I want to give credit to the creator of the Vogue trend. His name is David Kim. I will link his TikTok below. And if you're new here, my name's Angel and I post weekly videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. And make sure you ring that bell so you're always notified when I upload. Let's make a Vogue trend. Okay, so I found the easiest way to do this is to download the PicsArt app. This is the easiest way to make the Vogue trend, in my opinion, from what I've found. So once you have the app downloaded, pick your picture, and then you're gonna crop your picture to the story size, which will make it perfect for TikTok. Then you're gonna go into the stickers and type in Vogue. You can type in Vogue magazine, but I found by typing in Vogue, you get a few more options and you just pick the aesthetic you want. So I really like this Vogue that has flowers on it. I feel like it matches my vibe. So you just enlarge it to fit the whole screen. And then I go back in and type in magazine, and I have a lot of options as well. So I like this holy chic right here. What you can do is change the color by clicking on these different options here, and I'm just gonna make the color match my vibe so the picture is more aesthetic. So chose those colors, and I feel like it needs a border. So it's really cool because you can modify these stickers to match your vibe. I love this app because the options are endless when it comes to being creative, and yeah, so I'm just gonna see where I want to put this holy chic. That looks like a good spot, and then I'm gonna go back in and pick out a few more things and just try to make it look like a magazine cover, I guess. Then I'm gonna look for a little article. So kind of blends in with the background, so I'm going to change the color real quick. No, don't like that. Nah. That one's good. Okay, perfect. So, and then there's also the eraser tool that you can use to get rid of things that you don't want. So I'm just going to erase this top part here. Like if part of your head is covering the Vogue, then you can erase some of the Vogue to make it look more editorial as well. So like I said, the options are endless. I'm just going to go back in and see if I want to add anything else. Perfect. I like this style. I'm going to add this. You know I'm going to change up the color. Let's see here. Try that. Give it a little border. Maybe I should have done a white border on that one, but then we're gonna save it to photos. Ooh, girl. Ooh, she's voguing. And boom, you got your Vogue picture, honey. So you want to make sure you have 5 pictures, just because from the videos that I've seen, 5 just works the best with the beat. You can do less, but 5 is really good. So what you're going to do is, after you have all of your Vogue edited pictures, you're going to go into TikTok and you're going to make sure you have the green screen effect saved to your phone. So the green screen is this one right here. It's a little green box with a little picture right there. So you're just going to make sure that you have that saved to your favorites so it's easily accessible to you. And then I have the song saved here. Song is called, its original sound, Ismail Elka. Anyways, this is the song. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I made mine. What you're gonna do is get the song ready. So you can use the whole song, but I use the trim button and I drag it to like right about there. And then I'm gonna go to my timer. And then you can see the music like right where it. So somewhere around there is where your transition is gonna be. I have mine on a 3-second timer, And I don't know if this is gonna get copyrighted or not, so just to make sure that it doesn't, I'm going to put it low. So you can do it with the front facing camera or the back facing camera in the mirror. I posted mine with the back facing camera, but I did it both ways just to see. So let's do the front facing so you can see what I'm doing. So start the countdown. So it's gonna go and then that's like the last thing that you want to do is point your finger to the camera. Perfect. So let's just look at it just to make sure it's good. So then all you're gonna do is go back and you're gonna push on your effect button here. You're gonna go to your saved effects and click on your green screen, boom. And so when you click on the green screen, you have all of your pictures show up here. So you can just decide which one you wanna use in which order. So let's say I want to use this one, the one I just edited. And I just lay my phone down so it's facing up that way, so you can see nothing's happening to the picture. It's not distorted, it's perfectly fine. You just wanna make sure it's like laying down. You're not messing with it. And then you can just listen to the beat. So it's like every psh, dun, psh, dun, psh. However you wanna do it is how you're gonna do your picture transitions, okay? So you just hold down the record button with the picture you have. Here we go. So I did it. Then I'm going back into the green screen, picking another picture, laying the phone down. I'm gonna do it again. All right, I'm going back into the green screen, picking another picture. I'm gonna lay it back down and do it again. Going back into the green screen, picking another picture, laying it back down again. And this is the last transition here. That's why I say about 5 pictures. And I just stop when he says she bad as it get. And let's preview it. So then you can save it to your drafts and finish editing it later. And that's how I edited my Vogue trend TikTok. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I literally learned how to do that on my own with a little bit of research. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're always notified when I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.